Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So today's video will cover all my December favorites. I have really been experimenting a lot of new products in terms of skincare and makeup as well for the last 2 months, and I have liked and appreciated majority of those products that I've been experimenting. So I have a huge list to share with you guys today, and also hold on till the end of this video because I have an exciting giveaway for you all. So let's get started. The first product is this Nivea Post Shave Balm. Now lately there was a time 2 months back when I was noticing a lot of YouTubers and beauty bloggers on YouTube talk about this particular product so much. This product works as a great primer. This has glycerine as its main ingredient, which helps the foundation to stick onto the face for a longer period of time and in a very smoother and better way. And it helps the makeup to last all day long. This is so cheap for a face primer. This retails for only 200 rupees, and I have been using this for the entire month of December and half of November also actually. So yeah. The next product is the Himalaya Aloe Vera Face Wash. I use this face wash twice a day, once in the morning and once before sleeping in the night. I have been using this face wash religiously for quite some time. I actually keep switching between two face washes. One is this Himalaya Aloe Vera face wash and the other one is the face wash from Himalaya, which is of Kesar. So I keep switching between both the face washes. And this one particularly helps my skin from drying because I have an extremely dry skin type, and in winter season especially, this one is perfect for my skin because it helps my skin from drying. It helps my skin to be it makes my skin extremely smooth, soft, glowy, and moisturizes it as well. And this one has aloe vera, cucumber and vitamin E as its main ingredients, so it's a perfect product as a face wash for the dry skin types during the winter season. Next is the body scrub from Innisfree. This is their Tangerine Blossom Perfumed Body Jelly Scrub. Now this one has tangerine peel extract and macadamia seed oil, which helps your skin to be extremely moisturized and radiant. I love its fragrance. I use this twice a week, and the particles in this scrub helps my skin to be extremely exfoliated, and it clears away all the dead skin cells that I have. Now next is this tea tree oil from Soulflower. I'm sure a lot of you might already be aware about its blemish-free properties, but it can also be used as a great anti-infection and antibacterial product for your skin. So I use this once a day, and a little drop of it is enough for my face and I'm good to go. Next is the Pure Rose Water from Kama. I use this every day after I wash my face. My face feels really fresh and nice and healthy once I spray it onto my face, and it's a great product. This is actually a luxurious product in a small spray bottle. Next is a great product. It's the Prep and Prime from MAC. I use this every time I wear a party makeup, and all I need to do is just spray 3 to 4 pumps on my face and I'm good to go. So this takes away all the excess powder that I have on my face. This cannot be used to make your makeup last all day long, but this can definitely be used as a setting spray. And also I use this to stick on the glittery pigments, the eyeshadows on my eyelids. So what I do is I just take a flat brush, I take the pigment, I take the glittery eyeshadow, I spray the MAC Prep and Prime on the eyeshadow, and then I start applying it onto my eyelids. So it will help the glitter to stick onto your eyelids in a better way. Next is the Mineralized Powder from MAC. Now I have been using this on a daily basis. It locks my concealer in a perfect manner, but this one is not extremely powdery like some other compact powders that are available in the market. It's a very smooth product, very easy to apply on, and it gives a very natural look and long lasting at the same time. So I really like this one. I've been using this on a daily basis. Next product are the eyeshadow pigments from Makeup Revolution. I have 2 of them here, and I've been loving these 2. Absolutely great formula. They're smooth, super pigmented, long lasting, and they're very blendable. Now these are 2 shades here. One is Indirect, which is a soft glowy pink which has a tint of silver coming through it, and the other one is Confront. Now this is a violet shade. Both of them are extra smooth and pigmented. So the best way to use these pigments are that basically what I do is I apply a layer of eye primer onto my eyelids, and then I take a flat wet brush and then I start applying these pigments. So that's the best way to apply them. So coming on to the lips, I have been using different shades of reds and maroons the entire month of December, but there's one particular lipstick that has really caught my eye. This is from Streetwear in the shade Crisp Caramel. It's perfect for everyday wear, day timings, and for days when you're wearing a very bold, dramatic, smoky eye look. So it's perfect for that. You can subtle it down with this lipstick because this is a very smooth, light, subtle color, and the color payoff is extremely well. It stays on for 3 to 4 hours onto your lips, and for a price of 170 rupees, I think this lipstick is a real steal. Now next is this diary which says do epic shit. Now I was gifted this by my best friend recently. Now this is such a handy, comfortable and convenient diary. I just keep this diary all the time in my handbag whenever I'm going out or even when I'm at home. So this diary is always available on my desk. So basically this is always handy and near me because I keep transferring my thoughts into this diary regarding what upcoming videos I need to shoot or the articles or blogs and stuff like that. So this has truly been my December favorite because I've spent a lot of time the entire month with this particular diary. Next are a pair of sneakers that I need to share with you. Now these sneakers I ordered from an online website which is called as 20dresses.com. It's an online fashion portal. Now I ordered these black leather like look sneakers which I have been loving entirely. I have been wearing this for the entire month of December, and this has recently become like my go-to because whatever clothes I'm wearing, I will combine these shoes with my clothes. So I have been almost wearing them almost on a daily basis in the month of December, and especially these laces, white colored laces on the black sneakers, they made them look extra cute and cool. So that's why I ordered them and I've been wearing them a lot. And one bonus with these shoes is that they are super comfortable. So yeah, I've been loving them. So next is this laptop sleeve. This was again gifted to me by a friend. This one is from Chumbak. Now I love how cute it looks. I love the print on it and even the color combination. So it's red from one side and yellow from the other side. So it's extra cute. So I've been keeping my laptop in this sleeve for almost all the times, mostly for all the times except for when I'm using it actually, obviously. So yeah, so I've been this is something that I've spent the maximum time for the month of December. So next product is a pair of earrings from Aldo. Now these pair of earrings, I've been loving them so much. This is something that I can combine with Indian wear and with Western wear as well, which is something that I've been doing for the entire month of December. So I wore them with Indian outfits as well, and I wore them for parties like my New Year's Eve party as well. So I was wearing a Western outfit, of course. So I combined these earrings with my outfit. So I've been loving these earrings a lot. They're so girly, they're super cute and very pretty. Now it's time for the exciting part, the giveaway. Now I'm giving away products worth 2000 rupees. The first product is the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow pure pigment. Now this is in the shade Agonize. Now next is the Lakme Iconic Kajal in black. It's a smudge proof, waterproof, long lasting kajal. I have been really loving this a lot and I have been using this from quite a long time. So this is the second product. Now next product is like my all-time favorite. It's the Color Essence Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Siren Red. This is something that stays onto your lips for the entire day. It's super matte, highly pigmented and looks good for every occasion. Up next, I'm giving away this Himalaya Kesar face wash. It's a great face wash for the winter season for a natural glow and extra moisturization for the face. And the last product is the Aviator shades that I ordered one pair for myself from fashionara.com and I ordered another pair for you guys. All the rules to enter this giveaway are mentioned in the description part below, so make sure you check that out before entering the competition. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment, and I will see you soon. Bye!